What's up, Atumbos? This is Captain here, Triple S Storm, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own YouTube banner or background or picture that you can use whenever you go live. Again, I am doing this mostly to help gamers, but these tips can help anyone else. But occasionally, if you go live on your YouTube channel and you didn't set thumbnail or you don't have a thumbnail, it usually just uses your banner to make a thumbnail. So I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own YouTube banner today. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search YouTube banner template. And once you found that, you want to look for the one that has a resolution of about 25, something around 25 60 by about around 40. But excuse me, you want to search for the highest resolution one, right? So what you want to do is you want to click File, you want to click Open, or click Open as Layer, which is what I prefer, and then you want to click your template here. So this is the file size, the size of the banner. It is 2560 by 1440, which is 4K resolution, if I am not mistaken. So once you have these, the first thing I'd recommend you do is start to pull lines in. So I've told you already, you can, from anywhere where you see these numbers on the side, you can start pulling, left click, and you can pull it to pull lines onto your canvas. I recommend pulling these lines so you have a clear understanding as to where your safe zone is. So this section right here is your safe area. As you can see here, text and logo safe area here. This is the section that is shown on mobile devices and all other devices. This section is for tablets, and this section is for desktop, and this section is for Android TVs or YouTube TV. So you rarely get to see all of this, again, unless you go live, but this is what everyone sees. So first thing you want to do is you want to create a new layer. So if we go to Layer, create new layer, you want to make this blue, and then make this the background. So I can now add the color. I know these colors aren't the best colors, but they're just for example purposes. You can use whatever color that you like. So now I use the bucket tool and I add the color to it. So now it has the blue color. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to go to File, and then I want to go to Open as Layer, and I want to find the logo that I created, but I want to use a watermark. So here is the watermark. I'm going to click that, and it's going to be imported. As you can see, it's a bit big. We just go to the Scale tool, click the Scale tool, click the Scale, or rather we can just pull here, pull another line in, match it up with the center here, so we know where the center is. Now we can just pull this here, and there we go. Now we have it completely centered, and it is also scaled appropriately. So if you want to add other things to this, like for example, you want to add text. So two things that you can do is you can put live here if you're going to be doing live stream. So you can type, like for example, a lot of people type is live here. And then by doing so, whenever you go live, people can tell that you've gone live. People can tell that it's a live video because it says is live. So same principles. So here's the principle that you have to also know is that this area right here beneath this bar, and also the section that is here, these will be blocked off if you are actually live. So you have to be very careful when placing these texts. So we can just type Atumbo, change the color there. You can also change the color by clicking here. I just like to do things a harder way because that's just how I'm used to it. So we can click Atumbo, Click here to get the appropriate size. And then we have Atumbo is live. So right there, we've already created our background as simple as possible. And this also acts as a thumbnail in the event that we go live. So they'll see the entirety of this, but when they are on their mobile or whatever, they will only be seen here. So one of the key things to remember is that most people on mobile, this is what they will be seeing, as I've shown you in the previous video, is that it's a bit smaller scale. So whenever you're making everything, you have to ensure that you scale out by pressing Control and moving the scroll wheel either backwards or forward to scroll out and scroll in. You want to scroll back a bit further, take a step back to see what it looks like when it's smaller, because that's the representation that it will get. You won't get a full-size image on every single device. Not everyone has a Samsung Galaxy Tab or a smart TV or a desktop with a 32-inch monitor or an 18-inch monitor. Some people are on small mobile devices and they will be seeing very small icons. So once you've conquered that, you can do whatever else it is that you want. Like for example, you can add logos here for whatever clan, gaming, whatever activities that you do, or you can even add other subtle hints to it. Like for example, I can go to file, I can go to layer, I can create a new layer, and I can change that color to purple. That's background purple. I can increase the size of this. Let's change this color to red, and then I can click there and add that, and then I can erase a bit of it. My bad. Let's go to the eraser tool, and then there we go. Now that we're erasing this, it kind of gives it a bit more of kind of adds a bit more to the whole thing. So there we go. That is the entire thing. That's what they will be seeing. But for smaller devices, they'll just be seeing the center here. So this is your area that you work with, and then the rest is just an extra. So once you're finished with that, you want to click File, you want to click Export As, and then you want to change this name to Banner, and also change the extension from PNG to .jpg. Click Export. You can check the file size if you like, check the quality, and then click Export, and there you go. Now the quality will change depending on how much layers you have and the how detailed the textures that you use are, the amount of colors, etc. But as long as you stay within the 2 megabyte range for most stuff, then you will be fine. Okay, and that's it. That's how you create a banner for your YouTube channel. So if you want more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like for me to do. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I do a video or a live stream. There are more videos like this in the playlist that is linked below and in the end screens that are showing up right now. And if you want to know how to make a channel icon, click the eye in the eye above this, or if you want to know how to make a thumbnail, also click the eye or the card at the end of this video. This is Triple S Storm. Stay one better Tumbo. Take care.